Okay, a Kia Sportage 2019-2020 version. Installed for Lenovo D1 Pro, 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB, QLED screen, QLED IPS screen, multi-angle view, still same color, OEM good fitting casing, and OEM canbus socket plug and play. Okay, canbus connect, so still can display. Okay, steering control. Steering control setting by canbus, auto set. Okay, full menu. D1 Pro, video input and video output available. Bluetooth call, phone pairing with your phone Bluetooth, and Bluetooth music, sharing phone music to car player. Car setting, handbrake have to off. Video PIP, picture in picture function. Software mixing, Navi software missing, the sound missing with media or radio. System setting, factory setting, 2468 for factory password. Okay, change boot logo, crop your JPEG file 1024x600. Back car setting for select AHD or non-AHD. Okay, for Kia Sportage, you have to set canbus, can tab set. Okay, choose Kia Sportage, Kia Sportage, either one. Okay, click all. So we'll set the canbus. After set canbus, you can get car info. Kia Sportage. Okay, canbus version RZ10. Car kit. Simple function. Left right door. Let me show you. Open the driver's seat door. Close. DSP, 32 band Equalizer DSP with time alignment. This is preset. Okay, click here. You can do a time delay. Time alignment adjust. File Explorer, 9-inch Android big screen, no DVD, no SD card, but it's come with 2 USB slots. USB extension will put in the drawer. One put in drawer, another one is connect original USB slot. Okay, this is the 4G SIM card slot. Insert your 4G SIM card. Play Store, log in Gmail, download app. Radio. FM1, FM2, FM3. AM Malaysia FM features. Select the frequency you want. Okay, long press to save it. Screen off, nighttime driving, setting, network internet, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet, or this is 4G SIM card slot version. When you insert the SIM card, this has got a mobile network. You can turn off Wi-Fi if you got a SIM card slot. Storage, 64 GB. System, about device, Android version 8, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB. SC9853 version. Square icon, this has got a split screen and PIP function. Split screen, long press, draw it. Okay. Left right screen. Okay, have to connect Wi-Fi, still can get online. So if you don't want the split screen, you can draw back to normal screen. Okay, clear apps, create one by one or close all. So this is Kia Sportage. (2019) version. Front camera connect to aux video input. Kia Sportage 2019-2020 OEM casing good fitting 9-inch with OEM canvas socket plug and play. QLED screen, IPS screen. Installed by OneBiz and video by Andy. Thank you.